The recent 4.8 magnitude earthquake in Busan has heightened concerns throughout South Korea about the potential for a more severe seismic event, leading many to proactively prepare survival kits. Recalling the significant earthquakes in Jeongju in 2016 and Pohang in 2017, South Koreans are bracing for possible larger aftershocks. Many are not waiting for government directives and are instead creating their own emergency plans. Online communities have been buzzing with advice on assembling survival bags, which see a surge in demand whenever disasters strike. These kits, typically stocked with emergency food, medical supplies, warmth-providing items, knives, flashlights, and other necessities, were highly sought after following the Jeongju and Pohang earthquakes. People shared checklists for survival kit contents and recommended stocking up on hard hats, work gloves, and other protective gear, pointing out that local governments do not provide these supplies. Citizens are also reviewing whether their homes have adequate seismic reinforcement. Current building codes mandate earthquake-resistant designs for new residential and commercial buildings over 200 square meters or 2 floors. But older buildings often lack such protections. The recent quake has also spurred increased inquiries about disaster insurance products. Governments jointly offer storm and earthquake disaster insurance, covering up to 92% of premiums for 9 types of natural disasters. "We're receiving significantly more calls about this insurance," said an official at a regional government, who added that information was also being provided about a no-fee personal safety policy. The earthquake has highlighted the need for improved public preparedness, according to some experts. Emergency phone alerts about the Busan quake led to complaints from residents about the noisy notifications from distant areas. The Ministry of Public Safety and Security official advised the public to become familiar with emergency protocols, evacuation sites, and to stockpile essential goods. "It's crucial for people to prepare in advance for potential disasters," the official said.